Hello viewers, welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to see UV calculation by Gaussian software. For that we have downloaded a structure or molecule named a metaphoric FVC, and it should be in mole format or SDF format. Then open it. Then you can see that this is our molecule and we will perform our calculation here. So right click, then go to the calculation, Gaussian calculation setup. Here you can see that job type should be in energy. For other calculation you can select frequency optimization or both IRC scan. So we will select energy for UV calculation. Then go to method section. For UV calculation we should select a TD-DFT model, TD-SCF or DFT model. So go for that, go to the method and here click here, select TD-SCF. Then Hartifoc should be DFT. So B3LYP basis set will be automatically select. Then basis set should be it depends on your calculation criteria or your perception. I will select 631G, then plus DP. Then go to the title section. You can give a name or you can keep this molecule name. Go to the link section. Here should be memory limit specify, and I will specify for 1 GB. And shared processor, as my computer is Core i5, I will allocated 4 processor or core for this calculation. Then go to the edit section, save it. Then you can give here underscore UV, then save it and cross it, then again yes. So it will start your calculation. So it's a very big compound, it will take a huge time. Now in another video you will see the results. Thank you.